Hey art friends, and welcome back to the Mandakyns Channel. Today we'll be learning how to switch to a free motion foot on the Singer FashionMate 5500. This tutorial is also applicable for the 5400, the 6199, the 6180, and the 6160 series. First, you'll remove your general purpose foot using the lever on the back. And then you'll turn the screw with a flathead screwdriver counterclockwise until the foot releases. You'll insert the other one the same way by sliding it in and tightening the screw. This is the darning plate, and I'm pulling the bobbin thread from the bottom through the feed dog cover over this. Now here is the free motion foot. And that will go on the machine around the screw. Then you can hand tighten it down. And use the screwdriver clockwise to tighten the foot into place. And then you'll pull the string through the free motion arm. And voila! That is how you switch to a free motion foot. Thanks for watching, and happy arting!